Guys, it's Mana07 here, and welcome back to another video. Today I will be talking to you guys about somebody who's going to be in most of my videos, but not all of them, just most of them. And, that person is Degrre, and you guys might know that because it might be everybody. But this is her. Oops. This is her. So these are her animals right now. Sorry if they're, but don't. Like, I'm pretty sure this bunny's not the total. Pretty sure this is a bunny's total look, but not. I'm not sure. Yeah, so Degrre is going to be joining me in my videos, some of them, and I'm just gonna tell you guys that we're gonna be doing a mail time because I have a lot of like gifts and things to go through. Like, and you might see like bad gifts like these. That's just we're just like kidding around because we're like family friends. And see, like this one's not as bad as like those, but yeah. Degrre is her and her sister. Did I just pass it? Yeah. Line for 0. They're small, smaller, so yeah. Here's how line for 0. And Degrre. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, guys. Oh my god. This glitched again. Okay, guys. This is not how she looks. My thing glitches and it makes all her animals wear the like necklace, the bow, and the sunglasses. It's not how she actually looks. It's just glitching. So yeah. So Degrre is gonna be joining me in the live video. Not her people. Nope. And yeah. So that's pretty much all for this video. There's nothing really to talk about. I just wanted to tell you guys that Degrre is going to be joining me in my videos. This is not her look, as I keep on saying, because it's not. I'll tell you some of her other accounts that are her. So she only uses this one mostly because she's a member on this one only. So Degrre, this is her. Um, this is me actually. Um, this is her. Mono. Yeah, that's her. This is me. This is this girl from my class. She doesn't play Animal Jam anymore. Well, she does, but she plays Club Penguin because she has membership. But this is me. And if you guys didn't see my last video, my very first video, that's actually my last one. This is my autos. No, and the thing like the is the Mira, and these are my autos like fully. this is how my, oh yeah, this is my full auto. So if you get anything like this, if you ask for an auto and you're asking like, what is this? These are my autos. So yeah, so this is me. This is it to one of my other yeah, so these are my things. Here, let's go to my other one. Guys, so I've got scammed before, and when I got scammed, I have the jammagram for proof. She took my rare, so you so Luffy Cat Lover 7, gonna press this, and then you're gonna choose scamming with an exclamation point. Scamming! And then you could choose to block the player, or don't block the player, but I would, because then she wouldn't be able to block. What am I? She wouldn't be able to do that. Give times. Nice. People say that's a good one. Is that like a beta? Because I haven't seen that in stores. Or it's there, I just don't see it because I'm not sure. I'm not totally, I don't care. Which is more better. Anyway, so, wait, where was I? Yeah, so I'm just gonna tell you guys that, Degrre is going to be joining my videos. So, um, yeah. I'm not sure what it lists as. If it's not, you guys could go buddy her, and then she's kind of like my buddy. Well, you guys are kind of my buddy because she's my buddy, and you guys are. If you guys are her buddy, then you're kind of mine because you are hers and she's mine. So we're kind of like connected. So yeah so don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye. Bye, everyone.